Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am doing a huge spring haul and I'm so excited for spring, like trying everything for you guys, and I'll try to link most of the items down below for you guys as well. If you guys are new, hi, welcome, my name is Karaima. Hopefully you guys can subscribe down below. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit the bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. Other than that, let's get started. Let's start with what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this Marvel graphic t-shirt and I got this at Marshall's. I did get it from the men's section. Don't sleep on the men's section because they have amazing tees, especially graphic tees for like $7. And this is so cool. I was so excited. I did get it in a size medium. I did want it like a little bit oversized. The thing I have from Marshall's is this Dolce Vita boots, and I've been wanting a white pair of boots for the longest time. $21. How cheap is that? Like, they're so cute. You guys might have seen it on my last lookbook video. I'll link it down below for you guys on the bottom so you guys could take a look at the video to see how I style this little cute booties. But they're like pointy. They have this like brown camel like lining detail, which is so cool. It kind of gives me like a western look, but still that white boot that everybody's raving about this season. The next pair I did get, the last thing I did get at Marshall's was a pair of Air Nikes, whatever you want to call them, I'm not sure. But how sick are these shoes? When I saw them I was like, I think they're in the youth size. They're size 6.5 and I'm like, oh, that might not fit me, but they did fit me and I did get them. They were $30. How amazing of a good deal is that? I don't know how to explain the texture. It's not like leather, it's not like suede, it's just this like nice fabric. Not sure you could tell, but it's so nice. These shoes with like a dress, like a striped black and white dress, or like a whatever dress you want to do it, and these with some like high socks, how amazing would that look be? The last thing I did get was this Adidas equipment sweater, like this knit sweater. And guys, like Marshall's has been like lit, like literally Marshall's has amazing things. Like you see Jordans, Nikes, like Adidas, like all this, Stella McCartney. This was more on the pricey side, but I fell in love with it. Like I tried it on and I was like, I had to have it. Like this is very casual, very nice sweater. And I don't really have sweaters. I don't know why. I always buy like jackets and coats and blazers, but I don't have sweaters. I don't know why. But right here, the black, it is see-through. I got this in a size small and it still had like the original tags and everything. So the next thing I only have 2 items from TJ Maxx. So the first thing I did get from TJ Maxx was this like short set, Free People, and it's just like this hoodie lilac color. This one is very comfortable and very soft. Just like this oversized sweater, and I got it for $29. This is so cute. Like it's crop as well, and I'm actually digging everything crop right now because you could pair this with like some vintage like jeans. Not digging the shorts. Like I don't like the shorts. I don't know, I tried them on and I was just like, no, I don't like the shorts. I don't know why. It just makes me look like I have a diaper. Like I don't want to go out in the street looking like I have a diaper. The last thing I did get from TJ Maxx was a bag. When I saw this bag I was like, oh my god, this looks like the designer brand from Goyard. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm sorry if I am, but it's from Sam Edelman. And how sick is this tote bag? Like how cool is this tote? Like especially now for like spring and summer, you could like a white bag is so cute. Yeah, I'll see if I could find it online, but if not, again, you guys should always check out Marshall's or TJ Maxx for amazing deals. Like that's the last thing I got from those two places. I did get one item from Nordstrom. It's another denim jacket. It is oversized as well. Denim jackets, now that I look, I have 2 more denim jackets, and I'm sorry, but I'm obsessed with denim jackets. But I got this Levi's like trucker like oversized jacket at Nordstrom. How sick is this? Like, and it is an oversized jacket, and I got it in a size small, and it does say 90s baggy trucker denim jacket. I like how the Levi's is black instead of your normal like Levi's stamp thing. So that is the last thing I did get from Nordstrom. I did get a few items from Nordstrom Rack because I do love a good sale. It's another denim jacket, and it's a Topshop denim jacket, which is white, and I don't have a white denim jacket. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna keep this. I got it because first, it was my size. Second, it was super cheap. Third, I don't have a white denim jacket. Like, it's very summer, very nice. You guys should let me know. Should I keep this jacket? Should I just return it? Does it look bad on me? Let me know down below in the comment section. But it's just this moto jacket. Original price was $90, and I got it for $27. And I got this in a size 2. And then another Topshop jacket that I did get, but this is like my favorite jacket right now, other than the Levi's one. It's from like the boutique section, and it's this crop jacket. This is amazing. Like, original is $110, $27 again. I did get it for $27, and it has like gold hardware, and like, look at the sleeves. Like, it's very like open, and it has like, they're like big, and this is, it's different, very unique. I love this jacket. I got this in a size 4, and it is a little bit oversized. The next thing I got was this Free People dress. Like, it's very scrunchy from right here, and it is a little bit see-through, but I had to see what I could do with that. But it's from their Intimately Free People line, and I did get it in a size large. It does fit a little bit big on me right here. You guys will see. It does fit a little bit big right here. Like, with a white bralette or something cute, like, you wouldn't even see the difference. But it is like this long maxi dress, and it has like ruffles on the, like right here on each of the sides. I got this. This original was $128, and I went when Nordstrom was having additional 40% off their clearance. So this was $32, the clearance, and I did get a 40% off, and I think I got it for $19, which was a pretty good deal. So, and I did see a lot of these, just they were size large though, but I'm okay with it. I like it. I can't wait. And it's very long. Like, I like a maxi dress that's very long and drapey, and I don't know, I just like that look. Then the next thing I got was this skirt, and again, another Free People item. But when I tried it on, I was like, yes, I need this skirt. Like, it fits you perfect. It's very long as well. It's very like this star. It's black and like camel color, and it has like this different texture on the side. Very nice. I love this skirt, and I got this in a size 2. Look at this. Like right here, it has like this different texture, like this different design, which is very, very bohemian. Like, this gives me very bohemian look, which I can't wait to wear this with a white crop top. How cool would that look? The last thing I did get was a pair of sunglasses, and I did get a Gucci pair of sunglasses. $40. Like, yes, $40. These were original $440 pair of sunglasses, and the only reason why I got them because I sold my other Gucci ones, like the big chunky ones, and I regretted it so bad now. Like, I truly regret selling them, but anyways, life goes on, and I got these for $40. They were $66, and again, they had the 40% off, I think, or 25. Not sure, but they were $40 on sale, and they're just like these round glasses. Has like big Gucci logo right here, which I like. Gives me very vintage vibes. But look, talk to me like airport sunglasses. I really like. I mean, they don't look good right now. Maybe with my hair up like this. Like, yes, with my hair up, imagine my, like, how cute do these glasses look? Like, very nice. So the next store I did go to Target. I try not to go to Target again. I always explain this because Target is one of those places that, like, they hypnotize you. Like, you need things that you don't even need. And I caved. So I bought some things at Target. I did get a pair of pajamas. I did mention this like in a few hauls. I think it was my thrifting haul that I want to buy more pajamas for myself and not like stop wearing my boyfriend's stuff. But I got this cute floral like striped spring pajamas, and it comes with a pair of shorts, and these are the shorts that it came with. Especially when it does get hot, like it gets literally hot, like, so these are very lightweight and perfect for the summer. It's this brand right here, and I got this in a size small. And then the rest of the stuff I did get a pair of shirts from Target, and it's from the new line, which I'm actually loving their line, but it's the universal thread line. And I just got this basic striped pocket tee, like V-neck shirts. You can never have too many basics, and I don't have a black and white in a size extra small, and it fits perfect. I got this one, and then I got this, like, it's kind of like a denim wash, like navy kind of style. It's very like faded, kind of like a denim, and I did get this in a size extra small from the same brand, Universal Thread. I got this because it's like with some pair of jeans and just this plain v-neck and some little booties, like you have an outfit. And you can never have too many, like I said, never have too many of these. The last thing I did get was this white tee this is from A New Day, and it says Más amor, por favor. And I like that. I don't know, like, I like myself a Spanish tee. Very cute. And I did get this in the size medium because I did want it a little bit oversized where you could just wear it. So that's all I did get from Target. The next store I do have is from Kohls, and I don't really shop at Kohls, but when I do, it's because I find amazing deals on jeans or like any little thing you find on clearance for like hella cheap. Like, for example, I got a pair of Levi's. This is like their chino, the essential chino style, and I got this in a size 4, size 27. And these are like very casual, very like IMG vibes. Like all you need is a chain right here and you're good to go. They're high-waisted as well, but they're just this plain Levi's. And guess how much I got them for? Like, original it was $54 and I got them for $10. So excited to wear this with a white crop tee or like a black one. It's a boots, cute, and your fake chain right here, nice. The last thing I did get, another pair of Levi's, high-waisted, very casual Levi's jeans, and they are the perfect slimming 512 skinny leg, but they're just this plain, no rips, no nothing, just straight leg. They're a little bit skinny but not too tight on the leg. They're a little bit baggy on you, which I love. They make your butt look great, and they're very stretchy, like they stretch a lot. Kohls. Oh, actually, I did forget something I did get at Target. I did get a pair of shoes from Target, and it's from the brand A New Day. And how cute are these mules, like the slides. Like, these remind me of Miu Miu brand so much. Like, it has this cute little rhinestone right here. They are like velvety. Oh, we're almost done with this haul. I know, hopefully it's not that long. But the last thing I did get was from Zara and sweatpants. I'm always wearing them and they're so comfortable. So I got they're just like the skinny version, like they're tight and they are, you can't really tell, but it's from their knit collection. Okay, on the inside, I don't know if you guys could see it. but they're so comfortable. Oh my god, I love these so much. Last thing I did get from Zara was these pants. High-waisted pink trouser pants. They're the skinny version. Still haven't worn them. I'm just not a fan of this belt. This belt, it just feels cheap. For $50, like you would expect something more of it, but this belt is not worth $50. But the pants are, just not the belt. And if you guys haven't noticed, this whole like suit trend is going on right now. Like everybody's wearing a suit nowadays. This is in a size small, and they do run true to size. It does have pockets right here, and yeah, I do like these. The only downside is the belt. Like it does have like the cute little vintage kind of old style belt. I'm sorry guys, but I did have this item for a few weeks, and hopefully I could find some of these items for you guys, and I'll link them down below in the description box. But hopefully you guys like this. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a like and hit the bell so you guys could be notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, bye.